Good day guys, I'm AJ Navarro from Industrial Technology. And for today's video, I'm gonna explain the cycle of refrigeration system. In this diagram illustrates the four main components of basic vapor: compression, refrigeration cycle, pressure, and temperature range. So guys, this is the diagram of cycle of refrigeration system. So we have four main components here: the comp motor, the condenser, the expansion valve, and the evaporator. So let's start with the comp motor or compressor. What is the function of this? The function of this component is to suck a low pressure vapor from the evaporator into high pressure vapor before entering to the condenser. And the suction temperature of this is 50 to 63.8 Celsius, and the suction temperature is 54.4 to 60 Celsius and have a 350 to 500 psi. So after to the comp motor or compressor, let's proceed to the next components, the condenser or condenser coil. The function of this component is to release heat from refrigerant to the outside air. So the high vapor, this is the high vapor from compressor, gonna travel into the condenser, which turns the high pressure and high temperature. The temperature range of this is 63.8 to 57.7 Celsius, and the pressure is 270 to 380 psi. So after from comp motor or compressor, condenser, expansion valve, we're going to the last components, the evaporator. What's the function of evaporator? The function of these components is to absorb heat from environment and cooling it. So the temperature range is 44 to 66 Celsius, entering to 55 to 12 Celsius, leaving and have 45 to 65 psi. So guys, in the summary of cycle of refrigeration system, the compressor suck in low pressure vapor, then become compressed in the compressor, and it turns to high vapor, then goes to the condenser, which turns the vapor into high pressure and high temperature. After that, it goes to the expansion valve, which turns the high pressure and high temperature to low pressure liquid that goes to the evaporator. The evaporator turns liquid to cold vapor. So guys, always remember, the compressor compresses vapor to high pressure. The condenser cools liquefies refrigerant. The expansion valve reduces pressure and temperature. The evaporator absorbs heat to vapor. Then back to the compressor, and then the cycle repeats. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.